For this tutorial, you'll first need to launch the Internet Explorer. In the address bar, type in banner.subr.edu. Then press Enter. Then click on Enter Secure Area. For the user ID, type in your 9-digit S number. It can be found on the back of your check stub. If this is your first time accessing self-service, your PIN number will be 111111. If you have accessed self-service before, continue to use the same password that you have been using. Once your login information is entered, click Login. This will bring you to the main menu in self-service. To access your timesheet, click on Employee. Then click Timesheet. Your timesheet for the most current pay period would automatically be selected, so just click on Timesheet. This will bring you to your timesheet where you're able to report your hours for a specific day. As a graduate assistant, you are required to sign in and out daily. To report your hours, click on Enter Hours for that specific workday. This will bring you to the Time In and Out screen. In the Time In box, you'll enter the time that you arrived to work. All single digits must be preceded with a 0. Once you have your work hours entered, you want to scroll down and click Save. Your work hours have now been saved. You will repeat this process each day you arrive to work. To navigate back to your timesheet, click on Timesheet. Once your timesheet has been completed, it is now ready to be submitted for approval. To submit your timesheet to your supervisor, scroll down and click on Submit for Approval. This will bring you to the certification screen, where you'll be prompted to enter your 6-digit PIN number. Once you enter your PIN number and you click on Submit, you do certify that all information entered on your timesheet is accurate. You will receive a confirmation stating that your timesheet was submitted successfully. If you scroll to the bottom, it'll show you who it's waiting on approval by. You have now completed the process of submitting your time via the web. That concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.